Assalamualaikum and good day, learners. Welcome to the world of English, Quarter 1, Week 5. Are you excited to explore our new lesson? Well, let us begin our journey. I will be your teacher presenter for this lesson in English 5. I'm Teacher Noraisah M Otical from Amay Pakpak Central Elementary School, Marawi City Division. Let's get started, learners. What can you say in this picture? What does the girl do? You're right. The girl sleeps on her bed. Do we have a verb in the sentence? Definitely. What do you think is the verb used in the sentence? Sleeps. Very good. Can you recall what verb is? Wonderful. A verb is an action word. In our sentence a while ago, who sleeps on the bed? The girl. Very good. The girl in the sentence is what we call the subject. Can you recall what a subject is? Awesome! Subject is the one that is being talked about in the sentence. So for this lesson, we will be learning about the basic rule of subject-verb agreement. Learners, how does our verb agree with our subject? A verb must agree with its subject in number, singular, plural, and in person. A singular subject must take a singular verb. A plural subject must take a plural verb. Let us identify the difference between singular and plural forms in the following sentences. Anna Marie looks beautiful. The pupils recognize our heroes. In order to find out if the subject and verb agree with each other, we must identify the subject of our sentence. In the first sentence, what do you think is the subject? Wonderful! The subject in the sentence is Anna Marie. Is Anna Marie singular or plural in number? Great job! Anna Marie is singular, therefore our verb is singular. When we talk about singular subject, we are referring to only one subject. For example, boy, mother, child. What is our verb in the first sentence? Good job! Our verb is looks. When the subject is singular, verb in S form will be used. Remember, singular verb always has an S or ES. We add S at the end of the verb look. In the second sentence, let us find out the subject and the verb. The subject in the second sentence is pupils. Is pupils singular or plural in number? Very good. It is a plural subject, therefore it requires a plural verb. When we talk about a plural subject, we are referring to two or more subjects, just like friends, children, and they. What is the verb in the sentence? Fantastic! The verb in the sentence is recognize. Unlike singular verb, we will not add S at the end of the verb. Let us have another example. The boy drinks water. What is our subject? Good job! Boy. Is boy singular or plural? Singular. Very good. Boy is a singular subject, therefore it must take a singular verb, which is drinks. Let us have an activity. Choose the correct form of verb from the given choices inside the parentheses. The kittens plays in the living room. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. Time's up! What do you think is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is play. What is our subject in the sentence? Great! Our subject is kittens. Kittens is a plural subject, therefore it must take a plural verb. Don't forget, we will not add s at the end if we have a plural verb. Number 2. Benjamin hits the ball. Time's up! What is your answer, learners? Very good! The correct answer is hits. Our subject is Benjamin. Benjamin is a singular subject, therefore it must take a singular verb. Always remember, singular verb has s or es at the end. Now that you know some basic rule in subject-verb agreement, can you spot which sentence is correct? I'll give you 10 seconds to think of your answer. Time's up! Letter A, the stars shine. Letter B, the stars shines. What do you think is the correct answer? Is it letter A or is it letter B? Wonderful! The correct answer is letter A. The stars shine. Let us have another sentences. Letter A, the babies shouts. Letter B, the baby shouts. Time's up! What is your answer? Very good! The correct answer is letter B. The baby shouts. There you have it, learners. Yay! We are done answering another activity. Let us proceed to another challenging activity. Are you excited? Come on, let's do this. Structure sentences using these verbs. Make sure that the subject and verb agree with each other. For example, our verb is drink. You are going to construct a sentence using the verb drink. The boy drinks water. What are you waiting for, learners? Grab your pen and paper. Construct your own sentences using the following verbs. Good luck and have fun! Thank you for your active participation. I hope you learn a lot in this session. Once again, I'm Teacher Noraisah M. Otical from Amay Pakpak Central Elementary School, Marawi City Division. Goodbye and have a great day, learners!